the shade.
Yes.
Yeah.
You see, he's keeping a little bit for his baby brother at home.
Oh,
in that
wow.
park, yeah.
So we could give him
So,
some more.
so he has to save for somebody at home.
That's
See,
so good of him.
even him, he's saving for somebody at home. So put on a little bucket. See, it's for somebody at home. Eh? Yeah.
Can we see who else is saving?